guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about select field component which is going to be reused multiple times. In previous video, I have explained how we have to create the text area field component. Let's start the practical demonstration. In the last video, we have created the text area which contains label, field, error message. Next, we are going to create the select. So select.jsx file and create a function. Here I am going to import the field and error message. Field and error message. Error message. So here I am going to provide class name container. So inside this I am going to provide label, and here I am going to provide the label variable HTML for and name. So below this label I am going to provide field as select and type, and next we are going to provide the name. Finally we are going to provide error message name and name variable components, and the component is going to be div tag. So div. So as usual we will get the props and we will create the variables. Here we will get the variables as name, label, type, options and props. So here I am going to provide on closing braces and field. So within this field I am going to provide options. Inside this options dot map data. So before this data we have to provide arrow function. So within this I am going to provide a data and return options 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 and here data dot name, and here value data dot value, and we have to get the props. So here we will have the index and we will place the index as a key value, key and index. So let's go to the form control and uncomment this one and get the select. So the select file has been imported here, and go to the form container Here I'm going to create a new form control type select, and control select name and label. So I'm going to provide the option as a color. So here I'm going to provide the color initial values color, and that here I'm going to create one variable constant color data, and I'm going to create one object which is named. Here we have given data value, data name. So I'm going to provide name red, value red. The same way I'm going to provide another object, and it is blue. So this option will provide us options here. So options and color data, this will pass here, and within this form color we will get the select. This select will pass the options and other proper variables here. So here we have given options. We should rename this to the option. So let's go to the front end, and here we get the values properly, red and blue. So here I'm going to provide name and some random values, and I'm selecting the value blue. Open the console and submit the values. Here we can get the values properly. So this is how the select component has been working. Next we are going to see about the radio button in the next video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, you will get the updates regularly.